I can't just put this in there without showing you guys. Look at this beauty. Oh, thank you, Joey, for getting this done for me. I'm going to put it in now. What up, fam? We got an exciting update. That's right. We're rigged up, dressed up. New water whirlers on there. Got the balancer on there. New oil cooler parts on there. Got that new turbo pedestal. Rusty, crusty old manifolds. Shiny new oil cap. We're dialed in. I did do an FRX just for funsies. And truck's back in. Me and Summer gave her the old ankle bones and pushed it on in here. Wasn't too bad. My goal is to get this bolted in today. Bolted in. Then maybe I can drive it to work next week. I'm not going to count my chickens though. So that's the plan. Start putting this thing in. I got news. Oh yeah, that's an empty picker. You bet your biscuits. That went in like butter, actually. I'm amazed and very pleased. But I did decide I'm going to pop the fan back off. Be easier to put the accessories and the turbo and stuff on if it's not in my way. My dummy just had to have it on before I put it back in, which was absolutely stupid. I've been doing a lot of this. Oh, put this on. Oh, take it back off so I can get this on. I had to take some stuff back apart. But hey, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing it. Top of the morning to yous. I figured I'd update you guys. Here she sits. Just about ready to start putting her front back on. I've got to put the charging whirler back on, tensioner. I'll probably toss the belt on at that point. Then I'll put the fan back on. And then I believe we are putting the front back on. Kind of quit early last night. We went to town and got a filter. Bunch of coolant, a little bit of oil. Forgot to get tranny fluid, so we're delayed. But yeah, I think I'm gonna get this thing done today, and then we're gonna take her on the rip right to the dump because we had to get a new TV last night because our TV took a shit. So yeah. Gonna do that, and then maybe, just maybe, might hook up with the old man, and we might go for a little rip scooter. I'll tell you about that in a bit. What up, fam? Figured I better get you update. She is togetherness. I've been cranking on it, doing this, cranking on it, trying to make this not take all day. But it probably will anyway. We're already fighting batteries, so. And I got a drip, water drip. What did I not put a clamp on? Better check that out. I'm just putting water in it for now. I'm gonna run it for a couple days and then I'll drain it, put coolant in. Because this motor was pretty nasty. So here's where we're at. I'm gonna fix that water leak and then go get the bumper. All right, quick little update. I was running out of juice and I don't have a good charger jump pack deal, so I ran over to Jaden's and got his. And it smells like cold smoke in here now. I let it charge for a while, then put it on 40 amp. That big guy. And it started popping. So that means she's gonna fire next time, I think, or at least really try to. It's alive! Really kind of started pretty smooth. I was surprised. Actually, not that much smoke either. She's purring like a kid. I'll be damned. Color me surprised. We're test driving in a big old rainstorm, but this thing is running awesome. She is doing good. And ripping. I just got back to the house and I got an oil leak somewhere. It's up here on top, but I can't tell what's what. Not sure what's going on. Got that oil leak resolved. That plug was just loose. Tightened it up. Just checked it. It's good to go. Actually left it loose so I could let the air out of the oil system easier. No, I don't know what happened. I know I tightened all those, and I put new O-rings on all of them, and I also put gasoil on them, and that one was loose, and the one in front of it was a touch loose too. So I'm not sure if they trying to get the air out, if it vibrates more or something and it kind of backed them out. I don't know, but either that or maybe I forgot to tighten them all the way, but I doubt it. I'm pretty good about that usually. So, but if that's the only mishaps, I'm good with it. So that's it for this one. Next thing is going to be probably injectors on the big block, and we're going to be driving the Power Stroke again. She rips.